Understanding Midterm Exams, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of academia to understand a common phrase that students around the globe encounter: midterm exams. This term can be a source of anxiety for many, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll be well versed in what midterm exams are and how they function within the educational system. Let's get started. Midterm exams are tests given to students roughly halfway through their academic term. Why midterm? Well, it's because these exams occur in the middle of a term. They serve as a checkpoint to assess students' understanding of the material taught during the first half of the course. These exams can vary in format, including multiple-choice questions, essays, or practical assessments, depending on the subject. The key objectives of midterm exams are to evaluate and reinforce learning. They encourage students to review and consolidate their knowledge up to that point. These exams also provide teachers with valuable feedback on how well the class is understanding the material, which can influence teaching methods for the remainder of the term. Preparation is crucial for success in midterm exams. Effective study habits like regular revision, forming study groups, and utilizing resources such as textbooks and online materials are essential. Don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unclear about any topics. Remember, midterms are a learning opportunity. While midterm exams are common in many countries, their frequency and format can differ. In some places, midterms are formal and count significantly towards your final grade. In others, they may be less formal and serve more as a progress check than a formal assessment. And that wraps up our exploration of midterm exams. Remember, these exams are not just a challenge but a chance to reflect on how much you've learned and what you need to focus on moving forward. Good luck, and keep studying hard. We hope this video has illuminated the path to your academic success. Until next time, happy learning!